Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making very healthy curry called Katahal di Sabji or jackfruit curry. For this recipe we're going to need young green jackfruit. You can buy a can or you can use a fresh. I did not have fresh, so I'm using can. Onion, tomato puree, ginger, salt, red chili pepper, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, garam masala, clarified butter, and cilantro. Alright, we'll turn on the stove. So we're using clarified butter today. You can use any oil or so, but I feel like it's better because when I cooked last time in a clarified butter, it was like way tastier than you can. And your katahal look like this. It's a jung. It's not like too ripe. You don't want the ripe one. You want a green one, baby. So you can get a fresh one if you find one. I don't, so I got the can one. So can you can find in a Chinese, I think Asian section. It's look like that, or you can get any one. I did not find anything else. Once our ghee or clarified butter is heated up, we're gonna add our jackfruit in here. In Punjabi it's called katahal. People make a pickle too, so, and it's very healthy. If you are totally vegetarian, you will love this. If you find a fresh one, that's better, but it's okay. See, you'll find it. It look like people eating chicken. They said this look like. I don't know how that is because I never eat chicken. So people who are vegetarian, non-vegetarian, they told that it's like that. You don't have to make it brown also, because once you do this, it gets the flavor from the ghee, and it looks very good when you make it. So you can lower the heat at this point, because otherwise the ghee is just coming out from there. So be careful about your eyes and your hand. You don't want to get hurt. If some pieces get brown, it's not a problem. It's okay. You can even fry it if you want to. I don't want to do that because I want to use the same ghee in there, my spices. Okay. So now, since our katahal or jackfruit is done, so now we're gonna make our tadka. Here is our cumin seeds in there because our ghee is already hot. You can use less or more, but I feel like that's good. This time I'm not using hing powder in there because I already added my masala. Now you can higher your flame if you want to. If you want, you can add your salt because it helps cooking quickly. At this point, we can add our tomato puree. I used almost 4 tomatoes. They were not too big, but yeah. We're gonna cook it until ghee leave the sides. We'll figure out that it's good. You can add a little bit water because if you feel like it's drying out and it's not done yet, so you can add that water in there. You can see the ghee is separating. There is no water. Now you can add your turmeric powder. Add a little bit. First, and if you need more, you can add more. We can add our red chili powder. This time I'm choosing red chili powder because it gives nice color. This is a very simple but it's very healthy kind of curry, you can say. Now we can add our jackfruits in there. They're already cut it in pieces. I make it a little smaller. If you want, you can leave as it is, or you can make it smaller or bigger, whatever you like. So if you like to keep your curry dry, you don't have to add water, but if you want gravy in there, you can add a little bit water. I'm gonna add water because I want gravy. At this point, usually I add my masala at the end. I'm gonna add right now because jackfruit, if it's young, it does not have any taste or so. You want to make it flavorful so you can enjoy it. If you like, you can lower the heat a little bit. And I think I don't need more turmeric powder in there because it looks okay to me. If you want, you can add more, but this looks good to me. If you don't like gravy, you don't have to add water in there at all, because whatever you like, you can do that. It's your own choice. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. And we're gonna cover and cook it for a little bit. So until this, it's already tender, but you wanted to cook them. As I said, if you find a fresh one, you're more than welcome to use it. That's better even. But it comes in a big fruit, so you can't buy the whole thing, otherwise it's gonna be waste. So I don't buy that. If they're cutting for you, that's nice. You can do that. So we're gonna cover and cook it. For this, we did not use extra ghee in there. Alright, let's check that. Looks very good to me. But we're gonna cook a little more. Look at that, it's looking very pretty. You can add more water if you want. I think I'm not gonna do it because it'll leave their own water from there. So we're gonna just wait and cook a little longer. Then we'll be back. We're gonna cover and cook a little more. Alright, let's check it. this point looks like it cooked enough. Look at that, it looks nice. Looks like this. You can check it after you're breaking down, and you will find out it is cooked or not. I feel like it's great because I don't want more gravy in there, because it's just not dry, but it's not even gravy. It's kind of nice, kind of dry, but not really. I wanted to add some gravy. It's not like it's, you can say it's a thicker gravy or whatever you say. At this point we can add our cilantro. Sorry, I don't have a fresh cilantro, so I had to use my frozen one. I'm not really liking it, but see how that goes. Usually fresh works better. I wanted at first place I wanted a gravy one, but I feel like no, let's go with this. It just looks so good, and aroma in the kitchen is so wonderful, and I'm not going to mess with it. So I feel like we can do that. It's not necessarily, if you have a gravy, I feel like, because I always cook in a gravy, so it's like good if you have a rice or something, but we eat like dry vegetables too, so it's fine. So we're good, and let's plate them. Okay, here is our Katahal di Sabji or jackfruit curry ready to eat. It's delicious and healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you with a new video. Until then, enjoy.